In the world of kitchen cookware, finding a reliable, versatile, and durable frying pan set is like discovering a hidden gem. This Razab 3-piece nonstick copper frying pan skillet set with lids, H, 9.5, 11-inch, an all-in-one cookware solution that brings elegance and performance to your kitchen. With its ceramic nonstick coating, ergonomic design, and compatibility with multiple stovetops, this set is poised to transform your cooking experience. A versatile marvel, compatibility with all stovetops. Whether you cook on induction, gas, electric, glass, or ceramic stovetops, the Razab frying pan set has you covered. Each pan is equipped with a high magnetic conductive stainless steel base that ensures quick and even heating without warping. This feature is particularly beneficial for busy home cooks who need efficient cookware for daily meals. Its oven-safe design, up to 500 G set, adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven for recipes that require finishing touches like broiling or baking. Superior non-stick performance for easy cooking. The 3-layer copper ceramic non-stick coating is the heart of this skillet set. Not only does it ensure effortless food release, but it also promotes healthier cooking by requiring minimal oil or butter. Imagine cooking perfect eggs, fluffy omelets, or crispy salmon fillets without the hassle of food sticking to the surface. To prolong the life of the nonstick coating, it's recommended to lightly coat the surface with oil or butter before cooking, a small step that delivers big results. Effortless cleanup, dishwasher safe, yet easy to hand wash. Let's face it, no one enjoys scrubbing pans after cooking. Thankfully, the Razab frying pans feature an easy-to-clean surface that makes cleanup a breeze. While they are dishwasher safe, hand washing with a soft cloth is recommended to maintain the integrity of the nonstick coating. This ease of maintenance ensures your cookware stays in top-notch condition for years to come. Thoughtful design for comfort and safety. Each pan in the Razab set is thoughtfully designed with both functionality and safety in mind. Sturdy glass lids. The secure assembly of the glass lids ensures that heat and moisture stay locked in for evenly cooked meals. Ergonomic silicone handles. These heat-resistant grips provide a comfortable and secure hold, making it easy to maneuver the pans while cooking. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, these features ensure a hassle-free cooking experience. A closer look at the sizes. The Razab 3-piece set includes 3 pans tailored to various cooking needs. 1 8-inch pan, perfect for individual servings or small dishes like omelets. 2 9.5-inch pan, ideal for side dishes or meals for 2. 3 11-inch pan, great for family-sized portions or large stir-fries. This variety ensures you always have the right-sized pan for any recipe. Key benefits of the Razab nonstick copper skillet set. Number 1. Even heat distribution. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base eliminates hot spots, ensuring that your meals are cooked evenly from edge to edge. Number 2. Healthy and safe cooking. The nonstick coating is free from harmful chemicals, promoting a toxin-free cooking environment for you and your family. Number 3. Multifunctional use. From stovetop sautéing to oven baking, the Razab pans are designed for diverse culinary applications. Number 4. Elegant aesthetic. The copper finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making these pans as beautiful as they are functional. Who is this cookware set for? The Razab nonstick copper skillet set is perfect for home cooks. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned chef, these pans simplify the cooking process. Families. The varying sizes make it easy to prepare meals for different occasions. Health-conscious individuals. The nonstick surface supports low-fat cooking without compromising on flavor. Final verdict. Is the Razab 3-piece frying pan set worth it? If you're looking for durable, versatile, and high-performance cookware, this Razab 3-piece nonstick copper frying pan skillet set with lids checks all the boxes. Its combination of superior nonstick technology, ergonomic design, and compatibility with all stovetops makes it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. The variety of pan sizes, coupled with its easy maintenance, ensures it meets the needs of both small households and large families. So why wait? Click the link in the description below to learn more and make this exceptional cookware set a part of your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.